Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, December 12th. Doing another construction update. Walking in through the entranceway. As you can see, a lot of the paint has been completed. I'll show you they're doing that as we speak. And the columns have been put up, wrapped. You can see on the far end where they're completely wrapped as they're coming down towards us. And they are finishing the floor for the carpet, which has arrived today. The drop ceiling has been delivered, and that will be installed in the sections that need it over the next few days. Walk over towards the poker room. So you can see the drop ceiling, the framework has been installed already. And here are the pillars completed. Once they're wiped down, the tile that's on the pillar, once it's wiped down, it gives off a little bit of a nice sheen. That'll create a nice effect with the lights inside the inserts. The aforementioned carpet. One of the carpet squares. Let's walk out to the bar area. So the face of the bar, the structure and framework has been completed. The templates have been cut, and they're getting ready to cut the granite for the bar top. You can see the framework has been done for the curtain wall. It's going to go throughout. So most of the floor is being completed and getting ready for the carpet install this next week. They need another coat of paint on this end so it'll look match the color on the other end. And the back of the house area. And there we go. We got a lot happening over the next week, so wait a few more days, and after the weekend, as we complete the wrapping of the pillars, get the floor all smoothed out, we'll put it over there, update up. Have a good afternoon.